There are two things that we are going to take a look at today. The first one is possessive apostrophe and the second one is asking questions. So, are you guys ready? Do you guys know what is possessive apostrophe? A possessive apostrophe is used to show the possession of someone or something. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan kepunyaan seseorang atau sesuatu benda. We have two types of possessive apostrophe. The first one is apostrophe S. Apostrophe S. Apostrophe S is used for singular words. For example, girl, boy, teacher, Ali. Maksudnya seorang, satu. Singular maksudnya satu. The second one is S apostrophe. S apostrophe. S apostrophe is used for plural words. Plural words. Many. For example, girls, boys, teachers, Ali and Abu. Plural means more than one. In English, if the things is more than one, we call it as many, which is plural. Dalam bahasa Inggeris, jika sesuatu benda itu lebih dari satu, ia dikira banyak. Okay, let's take a look at the examples. We have, first one, apostrophe S. Apostrophe S. We have a girl and bag. We want to show that the bag belongs to the girl, so we write it as girl's bag. To show that the bag belongs to the girl, apostrophe S, because we have only one girl. Then, S apostrophe. S apostrophe. We have two girls and bag. We want to show that the bag belongs to the two girls, so we write it as girl's bag. S apostrophe. To show that the bag belongs to the girls. Okay children, to make it more clear, let us take a look at another example. Apostrophe S. Apostrophe S. We have a boy and a book. We want to show that the book belongs to the boy, so we write it as boy's book. Apostrophe S, because we have only one boy. Next, S apostrophe. S apostrophe. We have two boys and a book. We want to show that the book belongs to the boys, so we write it as boy's book. Boy's book. S apostrophe, because the books belongs to the two boys. However, there are some exceptional cases when using possessive apostrophe. The first one is, as we all know, children is the plural word of child. As I mentioned earlier, we use S apostrophe for plural words. But in this case, we use children apostrophe S. Apostrophe S. Children's. For example, we have children and bag. We want to show that the bag belongs to the children. We write it as children's bag. Children's bag. Apostrophe S. Even though children is plural word, we use apostrophe S. The second exceptional cases happen when we have two pronouns. For example, Ali and Abu are plural. Why? Because we have two people here, Ali and Abu. As I mentioned earlier, when we want to write For the plural words, we have to use S apostrophe. But in this case, we only mention the apostrophe S at the second pronoun. So we have to write Ali and Abu's. Abu apostrophe S. We only mention the possessive at the second pronouns. For example, we have Ali and Abu, and we have books. And we want to show that the book belongs to Ali and Abu. So we are going to write it like this. Ali and Abu's book. The apostrophe S comes at the second pronouns. Ali and Abu's. Abu apostrophe S. Okay, let's move to asking yes or no question. Remember, when you want to ask question, you must have two people. One who is questioning and the second people who is going to answer yes or no. In this topic, we are going to learn how to probe a yes or no question. Please remember that we need two people to ask and answer the questions. Okay, next let's take a look on how to probe yes or no question. Do you still remember the table that I've shared with you before? Today, still using the same table, you are going to construct a yes or no question. Let's take a look at example number 1. I in the wrong room. So let's take a look at the question. What is the subject pronouns for this question? I. I is the subject pronoun. So what is the verb be affirmative for I? Am. Very good. So the question will be, am I in the wrong room? And then you can answer, yes, you are, or no, you aren't. Remember, when you want to ask question, you must have two people. One is to question and the other one is to answer. Let's take a look at number 2. You in school now. So what is the subject pronouns for this question? You. Very good. What is the verb affirmative for you? Are. Very good. So you can answer, yes, I am, or no, I am not. Why you use yes, I am, or no, I am not? Because someone is asking you. So you have to answer the question. So let's take a look at number 3. My bag with you. So what is the subject pronouns for this question? Yes, my bag. Bag is thing. So the subject pronouns is it. So the verb be affirmative for it is. So the question is my bag with you? Then your answer will be yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Okay, let's do this. Remember the table that I shared with you before? So you are going to refer to the table to answer the question. Number 1, she, your sister. So what is the subject pronouns for this question? Yes, she. So what is the verb affirmative for this subject pronouns? Is. Very good. So the question, is she your sister? Someone is asking you, so you have to answer, yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Number 2, we going now. So what is the subject pronouns for this question? Yes, we. So what is the verb affirmative for we? Are. Very good. So the question will be, are we going now? So your answer should be, yes, we are, or no, we aren't. So I hope you understand the content today. And please complete whatever exercises and practices that your teacher gave you. Thank you.